Want to protect your Facebook account from strangers? In this video, I will show you how to lock your Facebook profile officially, step by step. After locking your profile, only your friends will be able to see your full-size profile picture, posts, and personal details. This video is very useful for those who want to keep their Facebook profile safe and private.